अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम EDUA 501 के मिड टर्म प्रिपरेशन के लिए लेसन वाइज MCQs जो है ये स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये MCQs आपके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहेंगे, बहुत यूजफुल रहेंगे अपनी प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से। ठीक है जी, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं लेसन 1 के MCQs के साथ। व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ एजुकेशन? एजुकेशन का मेन पर्पस होता है पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप करना। ठीक है, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट। स्कूल इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ social institution. Community education focuses on all age group. Relationship between school and community is interdependent. Teacher is mainly a leader. Learning starts from home. School provides social development. Community includes people living together. Education helps in development. School culture is influenced by community. Lecture 2 start करते हैं. According to studies, who are more satisfied with their teaching career? Female teachers. Female teachers usually show positive attitude. Male teachers' dissatisfaction is often due to financial responsibility. Female teachers are preferred at schools level because soft nature. Female teachers mostly use which teaching method? Modern method. Modern teaching methods include participation and problem solving. According to Hussain 1990, students perform better in math with male teachers. Higher education level of teachers means better teaching skills. Professional training helps teachers to use teaching materials. Instructional materials include charts, models, kits. Teachers from higher social class are considered better because of more exposure. Gender discrimination affects girls' education. Girls are less likely to attend school due to distance and safety issues. Poor families prefer to educate boys. Fewer female teachers result in less girls enrollment. Literacy rate in Pakistan is very low. Major issue in education system is lack of female teachers. Teacher training institutions for more women are very few. In-service training means training during job. Teacher performance depends on qualification and training. Community education mainly focuses on learning through community participation. Community education includes all age group. Children, adults, teacher, all age group. ठीक है? Community education includes all age groups. Community education is mostly considered informal education. Formal education takes place in school and institutions. Community education is important for social development. Community leaders influence school policies. If community leaders are unqualified, it affects school performance negatively. Good school performance results in positive community influence. A strong school administration helps in implementing policies effectively. Mutual support between school and community means sharing resources and facilities. School is considered as social institution. Curriculum development should involve teacher, parents, community. Community participation in curriculum helps in relevant learning. Sharing facilities requires proper planning and timetable. School property should be protected and maintained. Policies for sharing facilities should be written and displayed. Clean and safe environment is important for safety and learning. Emergency awareness includes fire safety and evacuation. Community development in curriculum helps improve awareness. School and community relationships should be cooperative. A school is considered as a second home. A strong home school relationship helps in better understanding of students. Communication between home and school is important for teacher, parents, and students. School and home are part of same society. Family participation in schooling leads to student success. Homeschool connection improves achievement, behavior, and attitude. First step to build relationship with parents is effective communication. Teachers should contact parents at the beginning of session. Consistent communication helps in better student progress. Parent teacher conference is useful for discussing student progress. Including students in meeting helps in responsibility for learning. Student work for Student work folders help in continuous communication. Classroom newsletters provide information about class activities. Social media helps in quick communication. Class website is useful for sharing updates and information. Mobile app help teachers to communicate easily. Home visits help teachers to understand home environment. Positive relationship with parents require kindness and respect. Good communication leads to a strong partnership. School and home together help in child development. Teachers are considered an important part of society, community, and nation. A teacher reflects dash through his/her behavior. Community values. Teacher reflects community values through her behavior. A teacher should understand a student's cultural background to build trust and confidence. If a teacher ignores the student's culture, it may lead to misunderstanding. Teacher works as a change agent, means bring positive change in students and society. ये अगर आप मेरे लेक्चर्स भी साथ में अटेंड करेंगे ना तो ये एमसीक्यू समझना और याद रखना आपके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो आप कोशिश कीजिएगा कि मेरे लेक्चर्स भी अटेंड करें ताकि आप ये एमसीक्यूज और ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से याद रख सकें, ठीक है? Change is important for development and improvement. The primary duty of a teacher is imparting knowledge. Teacher influence students because students spend a lot of time with them. Teachers act as role models because they influence behavior and character. Character building is part of teacher's role. Teacher as an external parent means teacher guides and supports student like parents. Modern teachers' role includes teaching, mentoring, and counseling. Teacher participation in community activities affects individual and group behavior. Teachers should promote the real spirit of Eid by sharing happiness and brotherhood. If teachers create high expectations for poor students, it may cause embarrassment. School culture is linked with community and surroundings. No man is an island means individuals are connected to society. Teacher should know students' background to support their learning needs. Community can influence a school by promoting positive practices like cleanliness and prayers, etc. Parent involvement helps in positive school culture. Positive reinforcement means appreciating good behavior. Good school norms should focus on building values. Proactive discipline helps students learn correct behavior. Teachers should model behavior because students follow their example. Social emotional learning develops social and emotional skills. Innovation in classroom means trying new teaching methods. Physical environment affects school culture and learning. The working context of Pakistani teachers depends on location, institution, and environment. Teachers working in rural and urban areas differ mainly due to different environment and resources. A teacher working in a private school differs from public school due to different systems and expectations. A teacher who owns a school has dash context than an employed teacher. Different. A teacher who owns a school has different context than an employed teacher. Teachers are expected to act as activist leader. A teacher as a social activist means participating in social issues and activities. Teachers build relationships with students, parents, and community. One major challenge for teachers in Pakistan is diverse working condition. Female teachers' participation in community activities is often limited due to cultural and social barriers. In many communities, female teachers face difficulty due to family and societal restrictions. Some male teachers avoid community participation because they think teaching is their only duty. A teacher, as a leader, should guide and influence society positively. Teachers are considered leaders mainly because they influence and guide others. In Pakistani society, teachers are respected as gurus or guides. Students get upset when teachers criticize them because they trust teachers deeply. Leadership ability among teachers varies from teacher to teacher. Modern teacher leadership focuses more on influence on students. A teacher sees a child's failure as a result of social disadvantage. Leadership in education is affected by political, social, and economic factors. Which leadership style is strict and fear based? Coercive. Coercive, right? Which leadership style focuses on teamwork and harmony? Affiliative. ठीक है, एफिलिएशन हम कहते हैं ना, किसी से एफिलिएट किया है, किसी को साथ मिला लिया है, ठीक है, तो उससे आप याद रखें कि जो टीम वर्क और हार्मनी पे फोकस कर रहा है वो लीडरशिप स्टाइल एफिलिएटिव कहलाता है, और जो स्टाइल जो है स्ट्रिक्ट और फियर बेस्ड है वो कोर्सिव कहलाता है. ठीक है. Which leadership style involves group decision making? It's democratic, jamhuri. ठीक है. Effective leadership in ECE focuses on development, motivation, and support. A good leader in ECE promotes positive workplace culture. Self-awareness in leadership means understanding one's strengths and weaknesses. Effective leader encourage innovation and strategic thinking. Cross-cultural communication means communicating effectively with diverse people, with different peoples. Okay. Teacher quality mainly depends on training, workshop, and continuous learning. Private school teachers usually have higher degrees but less training. Public school teachers are often characterized by having professional training degrees. NGOs mostly hire teachers who are volunteers or fresh graduates. Uniform teacher qualification across country is important because it ensures a standard quality education. The most accurate statement about teacher quality is quality depends on training and development. Which of the following is not a quality of a good ECE teacher? Strict punishment. ठीक है. इस टीचर को लाइक पनिशमेंट वगैरह वैसे भी नहीं देनी चाहिए, और ईसी के अंदर तो स्पेशली स्ट्रिक्टनेस, पनिशमेंट, ये चीजें टीचर को नहीं देनी चाहिए. A language rich environment means active communication and interaction. High adult to child ratio means more teachers per child. ठीक है. Adult to child ratio means more teachers to child. Teacher leadership mainly focuses on improving teaching and learning. Teacher leadership is best described as a form of influence and responsibility. never stop learning suggests that leaders should continue lifelong learning. Reflective practice means evaluating and improving practices. A strong vision in leadership helps to guide decisions and goals. Assertive leadership means standing firm with clear reasoning. Delegation in leadership means assigning tasks to suitable people. Emotional intelligence in leadership refers to understanding and managing emotions. Effective communication in leadership builds trust and clarity. Primary groups are mainly based on family and friends. Secondary groups are usually professional and formal. Which statement is correct about primary groups? Informal and flexible. Primary groups are informal and flexible. Which statement is correct about secondary group? Secondary groups based on roles and tasks. Time management in leadership helps to prioritize important tasks. A good leader sets team for success by providing resources and support. Professional development for teachers is important because it improves teaching skills. Family involvement in education mainly affects student achievement. AEPAM study emphasizes the importance of family environment. Habib's study highlights the importance of academic and professional qualification. Parents' involvement results in better academic performance. One effective way to involve parents is parent portfolios. Students Students with involved parents usually have better behavior and attendance. Family involvement strengthens brain development. Teacher can involve parents by sending activities home. Parents' involvement helps in overall development. Role of parents in ECE includes supporting learning at home. इसके साथ ही हमारा ये पार्ट 1 MCQs का मिड टर्म प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से यही मुकम्मल होता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये MCQs आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल रहेंगे। लेक्चर्स के साथ अटेंड जरूर करें ताकि आपको ये MCQs याद रखना भी आसान हो जाए। ठीक है, जैसे ही मेरे मजीद आगे के लेक्चर्स कंप्लीट होंगे तो साथ ही मैं MCQs और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी जल्द उनके अपलोड करते रहूंगी। ठीक है, तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना हरगिज ना भूलिएगा। कोई सवाल हो आपका, कोई फीडबैक आप देना चाहें तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा। वीडियो यूजफुल लगे तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट जो है वो अपने मिड टर्म की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर सके। मैं इंशाअल्लाह ताला अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ जल्द हाजिर होंगी। तब तक आप सब अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।